In this lecture, we are going to cover comments in Python. So everyone knows that comments can never compile and never execute, but we should know about how we write a comments, and definitely every developer must and should know about this comment features. Why? Because while declaring any function, while creating any method, and while declaring any variable, definitely you should mention the clear information about that feature, right? Definitely you should give clear and concise definition. So what is a comment? In Python, comments are lines of code that are ignored by the interpreter and serve as a notes and explanation within the program. So while you creating, suppose I am creating this ABC equal 20, so definitely you should give this one, why you should use this ABC as a variable name, and where should you use, definitely you should provide that meaning along with this variable name, right? So with the help of this hash, you should provide some notes here, so other developers may utilize and they understood your program. So they are used to improve code readability and provide additional information about the code's functionality. So what is the purpose of these comments? Why is the purpose? It is not a compile and it is not execute, right? Interpreter is completely ignore. So just only available in this in as a text mode only. So what is the purpose? Why they are using these comments? Comments allow programmers to add explanatory notes within their code, and they help in documenting the code and making it easier for others, not for execution point of view, it is for others and himself, right? So yourself also it will be works to understand and maintaining the code base. So comments can provide insight into the logic and purpose or intention behind a specific code blocks, either function. Definitely you should know about this purpose for understanding yourself and others who follows your program, your project. So it will be mainly used, right? How you create this comment? With the help of this hash symbol followed this content, it will be ignored and it is treated as comment. And if you want to write couple of lines of comment lines, then you should use 3 single quotations and ended with 3 single quotation, right? This couple of lines will treat it as multi-line comment lines. While declaring comments, you should mind it something. So write clear and concise comments that provide the meaningful insight. Avoid unnecessary and redundant comment that only restate the obvious. And update comments when modifying the corresponding code to maintain accuracy. Suppose you declared a ABC and some situation you want to modify like ABC 2, and you are going to update this variable. What is the purpose of this variable is update? Why should you update this variable? So this kind of information you should provide, definitely. And using comments effectively can greatly enhance the clarity and understandability of your Python code. So what every developer should use this comment lines. Just you observe, I want to open my Python. So here I want to declare one serial number s number equaled 101. So along with I want to write some code hash. This variable is for storing student numbers. So in this way you should provide clear information, and I am executing and print this s1 s number, and it was clearly ignoring na. So these comment lines are completely ignored, right? Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.